Hello technology enthusiasts! Get ready for the future with Tsubame Industries ARCHAX, a colossal 4.5 m, 3.5-ton human-piloted robot inspired by Mobile Suit Gundam. With a sleek design, 26 joint degrees of freedom, and the ability to transform, ARCHAX ensures an immersive experience. Imagine operating this marvel from a panoramic cockpit within its torso, offering a breathtaking view. Advanced sensors and cameras make control seamless, enabling pilots to navigate and interact effectively. Powered by a reliable battery system, ARCHAX ensures extended operations with safety features like emergency stops. Tsubame Industries plans to produce 5 units, priced at $3 million each, envisioning a revolution in industries from construction to entertainment. ARCHAX is more than a robot, it's a giant leap towards a future where robots are integral to our lives. Stay tuned for updates on this groundbreaking innovation. Today we're diving into Naqi Logix, a revolutionary platform redefining how we interact with technology. This hand-free, voice-free, and screen-free innovation uses facial micro-gestures to translate subtle movements into commands, offering a seamless way to control devices. Naqi Logix goes beyond the ordinary, promising enhanced accessibility for those with physical disabilities, immersive gaming experiences, and the ability to control robots, drones, and smart home devices with a simple facial expression. It's a game-changer, providing newfound independence and transforming the way we navigate the digital world. In the realm of gaming, Naqi Logix introduces a new era of interaction, allowing users to control characters and engage in real-time multiplayer experiences without traditional controllers. Its impact extends to broader applications, from navigating the metaverse to adjusting home settings effortlessly. I'm thrilled to share an exciting innovation with you today, the Rotor R550X, a game-changer in unmanned helicopter technology. Developed by Rotor Technologies, this cutting-edge helicopter is set to redefine cargo transportation, search and rescue operations, and industrial applications. The Rotor R550X stands out with its impressive capabilities, boasting a maximum payload of 1,200 pounds, making it the largest uncrewed helicopter in its class. Its extended flight time of over 3 hours and top speed of 150 miles per hour enhances operational range and efficiency. Powered by a Lycoming ILT546 piston engine, running on 100 LL low-lead aviation gasoline, the R550X operates seamlessly in various conditions, including night operations and limited visibility, thanks to its suite of sensors and digital fly-by-wire controls. Equipped with a variety of mission and autonomy payloads, the Rotor R550X is adaptable to cargo delivery, aerial firefighting, search and rescue, and various industrial tasks. We're diving into MSG Aviation, a company at the forefront of revolutionizing aircraft de-icing and washing. Their multi-solution gate, MSG, system is a game-changer, utilizing water, air, and recycled glycol to efficiently remove ice, snow, and dirt from aircraft surfaces. Unlike traditional methods, MSG's approach is not only environmentally friendly but also gentle, providing a safer and more effective way to maintain aircraft. The fully automated MSG system can de-ice and wash an aircraft within minutes, significantly reducing the time and resources required for these essential tasks. This efficiency is a boon for busy airports, helping to minimize delays and optimize turnaround times. Beyond its speed, the system's gentle spray ensures aircraft surfaces remain undamaged, and its remote operation eliminates the need for personnel to work in close proximity to aircraft, reducing the risk of accidents. We've got an exciting innovation from the Danish company Saga, shaping the future of space exploration with the Luna module. After rigorous tests in Greenland enduring temperatures as low as -45 degrees Celsius, this lunar habitat has proven its resilience. With an ingenious origami-like design, it expands 7.5 times during installation, providing comfortable space for 2 space explorers. The exterior is adorned with solar panels, ensuring sustainable power, while a life support system using algae adds a touch of ecological innovation. What's more, there's a 3D printer on board, allowing astronauts to craft essential tools directly on the moon, ensuring lunar missions remain lightweight and efficient. Saga is undoubtedly pushing the boundaries of space exploration with this groundbreaking Luna module. Saga's Luna module showcases a remarkable blend of durability, sustainability, and adaptability for future space explorers. With its ability to withstand extreme temperatures and a thoughtfully designed interior, it promises a comfortable living space for astronauts. The incorporation of solar panels, algae-based life support, and an onboard 3D printer exemplifies Saga's commitment to innovation and self-sufficiency on the Moon. Get ready to witness a remarkable innovation that's set to empower and enhance the lives of visually impaired individuals. It's called GUIDi by AI Guided. This smart belt is a game-changer, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge AI vision, edge computation, and haptics to revolutionize personal guidance for the visually impaired. Imagine having a personal guide right at your fingertips. GUIDi utilizes two forward-facing cameras to continuously scan the environment, generating a virtual map of surroundings in real time. Through discrete haptic feedback integrated into the belt, users receive subtle vibrations, guiding them around obstacles with varying intensities and patterns. But GUIDi goes beyond obstacle avoidance. It identifies landmarks, announces points of interest, and enhances spatial awareness. With a simple button interface, this user-friendly technology ensures accessibility for all, making GUIDi a symbol of hope and inclusivity. Get ready to be amazed by Looking Glass Go, a pocket-sized holographic display that's redefining how we interact with digital content in our physical space. This groundbreaking device lets you capture and share holographic memories, turning moments into tangible experiences you can carry with you. Designed for ultimate portability, Looking Glass Go fits seamlessly into your pocket or bag, featuring a 6-inch display that's 10 times thinner than previous models. The display is not only brighter and clearer, but also more immersive, bringing holographic objects, images, and videos to life in your surroundings. Whether it's displaying your favorite memories, creating virtual companions, or playing hologram-based games, the possibilities with Looking Glass Go are limitless, unlocking a new dimension of creativity and personal expression. Get ready to revolutionize your kitchen experience with the Ultrasonic kitchen knife, a cutting-edge tool that transforms the way we slice through our favorite foods. This extraordinary knife utilizes ultrasonic vibrations to create microscopic cavitation bubbles within the food, resulting in a cutting experience that's not only incredibly smooth but also precise. Say goodbye to the struggles of tearing and crushing associated with traditional knives. The ultrasonic kitchen knife's gentle cutting action ensures a clean separation of food, preserving its flavor, texture, and nutrients. Beyond precision, this knife brings speed and efficiency to your kitchen, effortlessly slicing through various foods with ease. Today, we're diving into the future of retail with JUXTA, a groundbreaking initiative from global tech ST startup JUXTA. Get ready for a potential shake-up in the retail scene where traditional stores might make way for nomad containers. Picture this: no cashiers, no extra staff, just a swipe of your bank card, and you're in for a shopping experience like never before. Nomad containers, housing about 500 to 600 products, are the future of convenience. Thanks to JUXTA's smart move, these containers utilize cameras to recognize your choices and display them on a screen. Once you're done, the payment is automatically deducted from your cart. It's a seamless, tech-savvy approach to shopping that eliminates the need for traditional checkouts and promises efficiency in every swipe. Imagine the possibilities and convenience as JUXTA reshapes the retail landscape, offering a glimpse into a future where shopping is not just about products but also about a hassle-free, automated experience. Get ready to elevate your shower experience with the BassPal Surround Sound Shower System. This innovative speaker system is set to transform your bathroom into an audio haven, bringing a new dimension to your daily routine. The BassPal shower speaker features a 360 degrees omnidirectional sound design, delivering crystal-clear audio with powerful bass that fills your shower space, creating a captivating and immersive listening experience. Whether you're dancing to your favorite tunes or unwinding with a podcast, this speaker is designed to make your shower time truly exceptional. Not only does the BassPal shower speaker offer remarkable sound quality, but it also boasts durability and waterproof features with its IP67 certification, ensuring it can withstand even the most intense showers. Its portability and lightweight design make it easy to bring the music with you on the go. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me.